We are coming to you today for, as without any regret, to see if you have a recommendation on this case.
Do we have a dead body in the case?
Judge, I'm gonna grab my chief for this.
Kelsey, can you please?
Page, please.
Yes.
Hey, Judge, can you let Brian?
Let me put it to where there's an announcement. Sorry.
Council for reset?
Okay. Hi, Ms. Ziegler. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
So it's making a firearm accessible to a child. Did someone pass away as a result?
So this one was the defendant, the father of the children. There were 3 children playing. And then the gun or the weapon was found on the bed, and one of the children was trying to get rid of the gun and then ended up shooting and killing his 10-year-old brother, shooting in the side of his head. And I spoke with Caroline on this, but I was more comfortable deferring to you without an agreed rec on what you thought was appropriate here.
I don't know.
I looked at the
You know-
mitigation packet, but
What'd you think?
for some reason, the case is 2 years old and it was only a 7-page packet. I felt that his statement wasn't really, taking as much responsibility overtly for this. And then it was images of their family. I understand all of that, but with 2 years going on, I don't know why this wasn't resolved with the other chiefs or what's going on, but I just wanted to see a little more with it.
Mr. Gutierrez, come up. Come up.
And Your Honor, do you have a translator for this?
Oh, he doesn't speak English.
No.
Got it.
Morning, Judge.
Hi, Luis, how are you?
Kelsey, you wanna?
So are you okay with going without an agreed rec? Ms. Ziegler? Are
Sorry.
you okay with going without an agreed rec? Where was the weapon initially? Do you know?
It was found on the bed.
Fue encontrada en la cama.
Just a gun is well, do we know where it was initially before it was used? I guess that's my question.
There were several guns in the house. If you, one moment, let me pull up the OR, but this one that was involved in the accident was found on the bed. One second.
Un momento.
The mother, the complainant, or sorry, next of kin advised that she was told that one of her children was trying to make the bed and in the process moved the firearm and it was discharged. And the child did not know that the gun was loaded.
That's a worst nightmare.
I know.
Just- It's awful.
Terrible.
I don't know. I don't. I think that there has to be some punishment, right?
Your Honor, we're happy to speak to him and have him redo his mitigation packet.
But the thing is that he's had the chance to do it. You know what you're supposed to do. And if you can't own up to it at that time, then, that's truly what you mean at that time. Right? So I'd like to see it, if you don't mind, his letter, to see
Of course.
how he feels. Is he truly remorseful? Because, on one end, I would think that the fact that your own child is dead because of you, is that punishment enough? right?
That's where I was at too, Your Honor, which I was conflicting on.
If you can't even take responsibility for it, I mean,
And
You
the
know,
next of kin, the mother, the prior chief did speak with her in person. We followed up with her over the phone. And she has expressed they've all been to therapy, obviously, and she said to leave it up to us.
are they still together? Is the family still together?
Or,
No estoy seguro si es están.
yes,
So let's do this. Let's get the plea done. I'd like to get it done today. It's 200 days old. Do it. There's going to be some. Okay.
Algo. Okay.
Not as much, but there's going to be some. And then, but then I'd like to see his letter first, though, if you don't mind. Okay. And then
It's in Spanish, so.
it's okay. I can read Spanish. And then, do you want to go ahead and write it up and do it today?
Quieren-
Or do you want, tell me how you want to do this.
I would, whatever the recommendation is, I would like some time to talk to him about it.
Okay.
And if he would like to take it
Si
today, then we
él
can take
quisiera
it today,
hacerlo
but
hoy,
if not,
podemos
then I
hacerlo,
would
pero
ask
si
for
no, pues
something
pediría
short.
por
No, if he doesn't take it, we're gonna set it. It's 200 days old. It's time. So I guess let me take a look at the letter. Let me read it and then I'll get back to you. And then give me 15 minutes. Let me just talk to them and then, okay,
Absolutely.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
sure.
I'll print it right now.
thanks. Hi, Will.